Namaskar.
नमस्कार।
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 Voting. It means everyone in our country, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, gender, have equal rights, choice, opportunity to choose their representatives. It is same for all people in our country so that they can also give their votes, give their choices. As we know, India is a democratic country and democratic is of the people, for the people and by the people. We can do many things to encourage the adults so that they can also choose voting instead of wasting their time in useless works.
Voting is a fundamental democratic right that brings numerous benefits to the individuals and to the society as a whole. Voting ensures that the government reflects the will of the people. Voting creates a sense of community and shared responsibility among all the people. By voting, the citizens can help, protect, and expand their rights as well as the rights of others. Voting ensures that even the minority group of people has a voice in the political processes. Voting influences the future generation by shaping the laws and policies that will affect their lives in the future. The officials and representatives elected by today's voters enact laws and policies that will shape the social, economical, and political landscape of our country for years. These decisions include education, healthcare, environment, infrastructure, and many more, which will increase the quality of lives of the future generation and will also increase the opportunity.
In a democratic society, voting is one of the most fundamental rights and responsibility of citizens. It is more than just a mechanism to choose leaders. It is a powerful tool that shapes the future of our country, community, and even the world. By voting, you can directly influence the policies and decisions that affect your life. Voting is a powerful way to participate in the democratic process and have a say in future of your community and country. Many of the rights and freedoms we enjoy today were achieved through democratic processes, including the right to vote. Voting is a way to honor the struggles and sacrifices of those who fought for the right to vote.
Let's support the country, let's vote for the country. Election day is not a day off, it is a day of duty. Voting is a method for citizens to express their needs. Every vote is a voice we heard and ensure that what we want is put into effect. Voting is one of the fundamental rights our country offers us. One sign, one man, one vote, one value. Go and fulfill your duty. This is not just a mark, but also a mark of respect. By voting, we can create and make a big difference. Now, community. Some people neglect and doesn't give their vote, but they don't know its impact. Your one vote is not for yourself. Your vote is for future of many.
जन जन को जागृत और शिक्षित बनाना है तो सही नेता के चुनाव के लिए मतदान को जगाना है। हमारे देश में बहुत सारी महिलाएं मतदान नहीं करती, परंतु बहुत सारे आदमी अपना मतदान करते हैं। यानी कि हमारे देश के आदमी मतदान करके अपने नेता को जिताते हैं, परंतु महिलाएं पीछे रह जाती हैं। महिलाएं मतदान नहीं करती, अपना मत नहीं देती हैं। 28 नवंबर 1890 को न्यूजीलैंड में महिलाओं को मतदान का अधिकार मिला था और स्वतंत्रता के साथ भारत में भी महिलाओं को वोटिंग का अधिकार मिल गया था। परंतु क्यों महिलाएं वोटिंग क्यों नहीं करती? महिलाएं अपना मतदान क्यों नहीं करती? महिलाओं, अगर आप अपने खुद के हक के लिए नहीं लड़ेंगी तो आपके हक के लिए भी कोई नहीं लड़ेगा। आपको आगे आना ही होगा, अपना मतदान करना ही होगा। याद रहे, इस बार एक भी वोट हाथ से छूटे ना।
ତେଣୁ उपसंहार मु एहा कहबा पई चाहिबी जे जेहेतु आम भारत एक गणतंत्र राष्ट्र तेणु जाति धर्म एवं वर्ण निर्विशेष आमे हेलु भारतीय तेणु भोट देबा हेउची हमर मौलिक अधिकार एवं कर्तव्य। जय हिंद।
वोटिंग सिर्फ एक अधिकार नहीं बल्कि एक जिम्मेदारी है। हमारा भविष्य आपके वोट पर निर्भर करता है।
Your vote is your voice.
My vote, my deed. मी अंतु मी कर्तव्य। Thank you.
साडा मतदान साडा अधिकार।
जागरे जागरे भारत संतान जागिबुतु आओ केते दिनी गणतंत्र मूल मंत्र कण पड़ू नहीं कि तोर माने वर्ष वर्ष धरी आमरी तंत्र विदेशी हाथी नहीं सही तंत्र को हाथेवा केते रक्त सते बहीगला से गढ़िलु आमे आम संविधान सरकार को गढ़ा लोड़ा अटे परा मतदान आम अधिकार हाथरू करबा नहीं दूर 5 वर्ष अंतराले सुजोग आसीची आउ थरे भाई सुजोग आसीची आउ थरे